We're at the 2020 Uralla show in the main pavilion. We're having a look at the photography section here. Quite a good number of entries. So that's photography at the Uralla show in the main pavilion. We'll go out now and we'll have a quick look at the flowers. Quite a good display of flowers here, as you can see. Lovely display of flowers. We'll have a look at the handicraft and the fruit and vegetables here. See the fruit and vegetables along the front here, and the knitting, etc. along the back. So this is, remember, the main pavilion, Uralla Show 2022. We'll have a quick look at the cooking over here via some more flowers. So there's plenty of flowers there, as you can see. They're very nice, the flowers. And we'll come across and have a look at the cooking. We might have a look at the baking section over here, something a lot of people don't realise with their country shows in Australia. But bread is one of the areas that's featured at many shows. I know Lismore has a very large showing of bakery products, including pies. So make sure you support your own country show in Australia, wherever it is. Just jump on the web and have a look. You'll soon find a country show in New South Wales alone. There's over 190 of them most years. So hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. More importantly, come along to a country show in New South Wales.